Good. How has been your IMTEX 2025 this time?
Fantastic. Really good. So this year, respect 2 years ago, it's a completely different foothold, much more overseas visitor, much more overseas presence also in other booths. So we are feeling very well that IMTEX is become more and more important, but worldwide at the level of world level, not only for India, and the attraction of IMTEX in the world is becoming more and more and more. So the recognition as IMTEX as a worldwide event now is definitely so it's visible. It's visible everywhere. I think that
Luca, you would have happened to visit many stalls, yes?
yes.
What is the kind of a trend what you are foreseeing in terms of machine technology? Do you see India is coming out of the commodity products to much sophisticated product now?
I saw that in a lot of stands that we visited for our major customers, they're pushing hardly on biomedical, they're pushing hardly in aerospace. So it seems that the market share, so what the market is want here in India is differentiated a lot. In fact, we see also that there is also the quest of stronger automation, much more quality, automated solutions. I mean, it's completely different. So it's completely reshaped the machine tool industries in India. So it's very reshaping, renewal.
Marposs
Yeah.
Industrial Solution 4.0 AI. So all the three subjects are covered by Marposs.
Yes. Yes.
How are you foreseeing these product implementation with the machine tool companies? How you are helping these machine tool companies or machining companies to increase their sustainability and productivity?
Exactly. This is something that we discuss with some customers. Especially here in India, we got a big problem. I think that everyone in machine tool industry, in manufacturing, is manpower.
Okay.
Skilled people. We are not able to find skilled people. There are no people in the market. So we need to step to the automation. So we need to have machines that are able to work independently with a minimum supervision or potentially in the night without anyone, and where we are stepping in with our monitoring solution, probing system, energy consumption monitoring, complete suite that is able to make the machine fully independent.
So basically, on these kind of machines, right? Basically, we can give several solutions. One is the machine tool. Basically, like we give solutions for inspection of the parts, also setting the parts, and also tool inspection, and also tool measurements as well. We have wide ranges. What is a minimum requirements of the customer would be? It could be a simple length setting, or it could be a simple length and diameter setting. And if someone wants much more higher performances, like if you want to measure the tool integrity checks, and then they want to measure certain runouts of the tools and all, then we can always use those kind of stuff on the machine. Okay, those are on the table or on the magazines. So the main basic system, we call them as spindle probings, or it is called as tool setters basically. And another set of products what we have on the machines are machine tool monitoring systems. It is also what it does is basically we can use them for improvising the efficiency of the machine, because in order to get a performance of the machines, right, you have to monitor the machine health as well. It's like taking care of your health. The same way we do have the sensors in all different part of the machines, like we put a strain gauge sensors on the milling heads, and then we do have a runout checking system where if there is a chip is going on the shanks, what happens over there is we have to make sure the shank is perfectly aligned, right? Before what happens, that will reflect on the real finishing of the tool, or real finishing of the process, or it could be also making some damages to your tool as well. So in order to do all the stuff, we are supposed to put different solutions depending on the requirement. So in the new world, basically we also call it as tool process monitoring. This is very crucial because what happens, it will optimize your tool life management as well, and you have to do real time stoppage of the machine before the machine goes into damage, and also for the process as well. Here sometimes we have the same tool manufacturing, same tool cutting manufacturers can always be having a different brands, I would say, but the tool, how it works is different, right? The cutting parameter changes and everything. So in order to optimize the right way to set the parameters for the tools, we need to have a process monitoring system so that we can also optimize it.
Should we say, the machine tool builders, you want to have a watchman for your machines? Yes. Call up Marposs or contact Luca and the rest of the team.